What's up YouTube? It's your boy Danny, back in another video. It's been a minute since I've done an overhead video, but doing one today. This is the Microsoft Surface Pro 7. Now, I actually filmed the unboxing to this tablet, or laptop, or whatever you want to call it, back last year, around September when I bought it. I cannot find the footage, and then I guess I forgot that I filmed it, and I've looked everywhere. I've checked all my memory cards. I checked the Drobo. Nowhere to be found. So, the unboxing to this, it was filmed at my mom's apartment. I remember doing that. The footage is gone. So, thought I'd go ahead and just make a video. There is no unboxing for this, unfortunately, because, like I said, I cannot find it. So it is what it is. I'm making a video today though because I'm actually getting ready to sell this lovely machine. There's nothing wrong with the machine at all. It's just something I don't use every day like I did initially. So I've had it, what, 10 months maybe? Yeah, about 10 months. And it's time to part ways. The original cost was $7.99. They're definitely not cheap, but again, it's got 10th Gen i5. I believe 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gig SSD, which is really tiny. I thought I could upgrade the storage on these. You cannot. It is soldered to the motherboard. That being said, I did buy accessories for it. First of all, we've got the Surface Pen in red that I bought for it, which is very nice. I don't know if that's going to focus or not. But yeah, it's very nice. I actually did a quick little 3-minute demo for my members. By the way, if you do want to become a member of the channel, I'm going to be making more member videos now that I have time. So stay tuned for that. It's $1.99 a month. Feel free if you wish. Anyway, back to that. So I bought the Surface Pen. I bought the Surface keyboard, magnetic keyboard with fingerprint reader, if I could talk. So there you go. And yeah, cat hair, sorry. I just got back from being at my mom's place for a couple weeks, and I had this with me, and it came with Windows 10 on it, but I currently have Windows 11, but I'm going to format it back to Windows 10. But yeah, so it's got a keyboard with trackpad and fingerprint reader. Pulls right off. It's all magnetic, but this is what the keyboard looks like, and it doubles obviously as a cover for the front. So very nice. So gotta magnetize that back on just like that. Actually, it's not quite on there the right way. Let me show you how it's done. So, you literally just put the bottom of the Surface near, and there you go. It snaps right in. Now, on the back of this, I do have a UAG military grade case, just in case. No pun intended. But, you know, in the event that I were to drop this, it would be safe. The Surface itself is silver. This is a really nice computer. I just don't use it, and I could use the money. So, has a stand, and with the case and the keyboard all connected, the tablet is basically a laptop. Very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and boot it up now. This thing is currently running Windows 11 Alpha, so the one that was leaked online. But yeah, just gonna log in. It doesn't take very long to log in. The battery life is excellent on this thing. Swipe up to unlock. Oh, I need to enter in my PIN. Windows 11 is giving me a bunch of errors. But yeah, so I am on here, and there is Windows 11, just like that. It's like I said, a very nice machine. So I know it's kind of hard to see because I have all the lights on. Let me see if I can turn off some of these lights just real quick. Yeah, you can kind of see. Let me do a step further. Let me go a step further and turn off those as well. I can do all that with my phone. But yeah, there you go. So the screen, decent screen. It is touchscreen, obviously. And like I said in the past, you can obviously write on here with the Surface Pen. As you can see, Windows 11, even in Alpha, supports touchscreen, no problem. Very nice. I love it. But before I do put this on the market, it is going to be formatted back to Windows 10, like the good Lord intended. So, let me get you the specs of the machine real quick, and I'll go into settings. Where did they move settings? I've forgotten where everything is. Windows 11 is going to be very nice, that's for sure. Let me just type in settings. There it is, settings. System. And then about. So this current model has an Intel i5-1035G4 CPU at 1.1 gigahertz, but it can go up to 1.5 gigahertz. 8 gigs of RAM installed, 128 gig SSD. Currently running Windows 11 Home version developer. OS build 21996.1. So yeah, before the night is over, I will have formatted this back to Windows 10, wiped it, got all my stuff off of it. There's not that much on there to begin with. But yeah, it's a very great device. I just don't have a need, you know? I know there's other people who can relate. I don't have a need at all for this many computers, and this is one of the ones that has to go. And that's just, you know, that's the way it is. So, yeah, I wish for the life of me I had the unboxing video. I'm sure as soon as I publish this video on YouTube, it'll pop up somewhere, and that'll just be that. That'll be what it is. But yeah, this was a great machine. I've had it 10 months. I just don't have a need for the Surface Pro 7. I don't. Real quick though, before we go, I do want to see the ports. So we got one USB, was it USB-A, I think? USB-C. There's the charging cable. Is there a slot for an SD card? I thought there was. Oh yeah, slot right there for an SD card. So, this case, I love this case because it holds the pen so well. And then when you're done, you just do that, and that's it. That's it. You got a full-blown tablet, laptop, whatever you want to call it. It's honestly, it's got laptop specs, even though it is a tablet. But it's got a really nice finish. And the buyer is getting all of this. You know, I'm selling the whole thing at a bundle. They're getting the case, they're getting the keyboard cover with the trackpad and the fingerprint reader. They're getting the Surface Pen. They're getting 2 chargers for the device. They're also getting this nice bag I got from Solo, New York. So you put the Surface in this one. Right here, you have a pocket where my glasses that are not for sale are in, so that's not going in there. But in here should be the charger. Yeah, one out of 2 chargers. So they have the other charger in my other backpack. So they will be getting both of these. Yeah. So that's it. Just a very quick overview. I wish I could find the unboxing video, but it is what it is. I just want to do a quick, small review of the Surface Pro 7. This is not meant for gaming. It just has an Intel GPU. I think it's 620 or something like that. But it's not meant for gaming at all. It is meant for office use. You can watch movies on it. I've watched Netflix on this before. I've watched Twitch on this, no problem. But it's just not, this model, since this is the entry-level Surface Pro 7, is not meant for gaming. So you can do very light gaming like solitaire, but if you're trying to play games like Overwatch or, you know, Cyberpunk or any of that stuff, it's not gonna happen. It's not meant for that. Not this model. I'm sure they have models with actual GPUs in them. This is not one. It's got a 10th gen i5, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gig SSD. I definitely recommend if you get with this model that you are prepared to have like an external drive or external SSD or something. But other than that, it is a great machine. It's very, very nice. They do go for $799 to this day still, because I mean, it's a Surface Pro, so it's for a prosumer, but it's not for a gamer, if that makes sense. So if you're looking to game on one of these, look elsewhere. This will not, it won't do it. It'll do very light solitaire, but trying to play games like Overwatch or Cyberpunk or any of that is not gonna happen. It's not, you know. You might get away with Fortnite, maybe on low settings, but it's not meant for that. You know what? Let's install Fortnite. Why not? We're gonna install Fortnite and we're gonna see how it behaves. So let me get this all set up again. I'm gonna switch cameras. I'm gonna install Fortnite real quick, and yeah, we'll see how it is. I'm just gonna shoot with my iPhone, so don't expect anything as good as the Panasonic for the other camera. But yeah, here we go. We're going to try it. So it's currently on the lowest settings. By default, I did up the resolution to whatever the max resolution is for the screen itself, which I may put on screen if I remember to add that little detail. Otherwise, not a big deal. But yeah, this is Fortnite on the Surface Pro 7. Here we go. And it looks pretty bad. Getting some stutters. The textures are not very good. I know people are going to be in the comments asking if this is meant for gaming, or can this be used for gaming. I'm here to tell you, so far, absolutely not. Jump randomly. Look at the lag. It's just, there's no GPU. Now I'm gonna go ahead, once I land, I'm gonna go ahead and go in the settings and make sure everything's at the lowest, including the resolution. Because as you can see, it stutters pretty hard. Not all the time, which is very interesting, but a lot of the time it does. And then we're going to settings, and I'm just going to make everything as low as it can go. So resolution, there you go, 30 FPS. Low. Okay. Show FPS. Leave VSync off, apply. Yeah, it's still stuttery. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera to the front. So I'm gonna give you a side angle all the time, for the whole time. So here we go. Okay, so this is ghetto 2006 YouTube style video where I'm just literally pointing a camera at the screen. But I can't capture this and play Fortnite for obvious reasons. This already has trouble playing Fortnite as it is. I don't want to give it any more pressure by using a capturing software and trying to get to play Fortnite. So we're gonna be slightly a little bit of a ghetto, setup. That's what it is. So here I am harvesting, and if I die in this game, by the way, I don't care. I'm literally just demoing this. Just to show you guys. I'm actually playing using the screen on the iPhone and not looking at the actual computer itself. Duck and dodge. Even on Surface Pro 7. Actually got a kill. That's crazy. Probably a bot. Yeah. So that wasn't a complete stutter. Again, it could be better. If that was a real person, if they only knew I played killing them by looking at an iPhone screen that's pointed at a computer screen, dang, bro. So hopefully that was a bot and not somebody that was that bad, This might be an actual player. Bro, that was an actual player. I killed him by looking at my iPhone screen that's pointed at a computer. Just like that bot. That's funny, dude. Him too. Maybe iPhone strats is the new way, huh? That's so funny. I should probably heal up. Actually, no, I don't need to heal up yet. Aim is so horrible. Oh, wow. Wow. Again, looking at the iPhone screen that's in front of the computer. That is too funny, dude. Bro, be embarrassed, dude. Seriously, be embarrassed. If you only knew you died from a guy making a YouTube video about a computer, that's just funny. Okay, that's gonna kill me. This is where I die. Yeah. Finally, somebody with some dignity. That's funny. Yeah. So, is it playable? Kinda. Maybe. A little bit, you know? Do I recommend playing it on the Surface Pro? Not this one. Don't. This is the entry level, like I said. I'm sure they make Surface Pros with GPUs. It doesn't need to be a crazy GPU, but it's gonna be better than Intel UHD graphics, which is not good for gaming. It's just not. Still though, those kills I got on a demo, hilarious. Touchscreen is supported. That's funny. Supported in Fortnite. So, if I go into item shop, can I spin the character around? Let's see. Sorry, locker. No. Nope. Nope. Anyway, here you guys go. Can you game on this? Technically, yes. Should you? Probably not. At least not the base model Surface Pro 7. But there you go. Now you know. Thank you all so much for watching. I do appreciate it. More to come. See you guys in the next video. Have a good night. Bye. Love that song. All right.